Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content. Consider supporting our work directly on Patreon to get early access to all new encounters. And as always, enjoy the video. On September 23, 2022, deputies with the Harris County Sheriff's Office were dispatched to a neighborhood in Katy, Texas, for reports of a domestic disturbance. A female caller stated her sister was attacking her and their mother, but the suspect fled before officers arrived.
No, sir.
Hey, did she just leave?
Yes.
I literally just saw her too.
My mom
No,
telling
sir.
me she wanna do a report.
Yeah, that's fine. We're gonna do a report. Where is she headed?
She's going work.
She's going to work?
Yeah.
Where's she work at?
It's like a street club.
Where's it at?
¿Tú quieres que ella sea arrestada?
No, yo no quiero que
Mom
sea
also want to arrest her.
Can your mom translate and tell me what happened? I need to know her words.
¿Qué día es lo que pasó?
Nosotros tenemos una compañía de camiones.
We have a trucking company where she used to work.
Okay.
De mi esposo, que es su papá.
Of my dad, that is his dad.
Yeah, okay.
Ella trabajaba por el día en eso.
She used to work on the day in that.
Y por la noche en el lugar ese.
In the night.
Pero mi esposo le exigió que tenía que atender ese trabajo porque no lo estaba atendiendo, no lo estaba haciendo bien el trabajo de la compañía.
My dad talked to her about that she had to do her work in this company because she used to come home and go to sleep.
Y ella dijo que sí, que está bien, que ella ya no iba a trabajar más para la compañía, pero bueno, por lo que, pero
she's telling you that story because that's how it happened.
Well, yeah, I just know what happened today.
Ya es que tengo que explicarle cómo viene. Y entonces, ahora, ella fue a coger, tú fuiste a coger, es la que estás haciendo, y explícale que tú estás haciendo
The thing is that they have talked to her several times that she has to do that work because it's
responsible. Los papeles.
But my dad told her that she has to leave this work, this one,
Yeah, what's she doing now?
because she's not taking care because she used to come from that club and go to sleep.
Right, when she's not doing this job.
Yeah, and
Okay.
she didn't like that.
Okay.
So they put me in that. She didn't like either that. So we've been already fighting from this a long time. But today, she's about to use my things, and I tell her I don't want her to use my things. So she get mad and she goes to the office and destroy everything.
Oh, what thing was she about to use?
Huh?
What thing was she about to use?
Mine?
Yeah.
My makeup.
She about to use your makeup to
Yeah.
get ready to go to work.
Yeah.
Okay, and you didn't want her to do that because she was also not helping out with the company and stuff like that.
Because yesterday she took her computer from the company,
Mhm.
and today I didn't let her use my makeup, which I told her before that don't use it. She got mad at that and went to the office to get the things that supposedly she bought. When she do that, I take the things and I tell her, just let me rip out the papers I really need because that's what I need for tomorrow for work.
Right.
And she didn't want it. So she hit me and then hit my mom because my mom got in the middle.
She hit you?
Yeah.
Where did she hit you at?
I don't know, somewhere. I don't know. She was about like to get a thing and she hit me.
Was like
It
close
wasn't
fist?
hard. It was just like,
Did you feel any pain?
no. It was something, but I didn't care. So I used to fight with her a lot of times.
Okay.
No more sisters. So my mom got in the middle and she started throwing everything away and my mom tried to stop her and she started fighting with my mom.
Okay.
And then they start fighting.
Okay, so your mom got between you and your sister, and then your sister basically started hitting your mom because your
Yes.
mom got in the way.
And that when she did that,
Okay.
and then then she goes to her room
Mm.
and she stay close. But then she comes back again
440 on control.
when she hear me that I was calling the police. She go back and start fighting at it again. Also, the kids was like, "Mom, you hit my grandma."
All right, so your mom and her got into a fight,
Yes.
and then they stopped. You told her you were gonna call the police, then they started fighting again. She started
Well,
fighting
when
again.
she did that to my mom, was when I was like, I'm calling the police.
Right. Yeah.
And when she thought it was fake because I went away.
Yeah.
And I started calling the police, but when she heard me that I was really calling the police, she went out the room again and fight with my mom again.
Again. Okay.
Yes.
So she went back again and hit you.
I tried to separate them, but I was calling with the police.
Okay.
So then she go to her room and get ready and leave.
Okay. So did she? All right. So I have to have it. So when she struck your mom, did she hit her with a closed fist or open hand?
Ella te dio no, it was open con la mano abierta. She didn't hit him like this.
Como tiene las
It
uñas
was just
largas.
like fighting and like this and
And
like
grabbed
this.
him.
And that's where her
So
long
did
nails.
her long nails scratched her?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you feel pain?
¿Te dolió?
Pero no una cosa que...
Yeah, not that. It was just the hair.
But she felt pain though.
Yeah, something.
So okay, all right. You mind? You mind if
Yeah,
I?
like she defend herself.
Yeah. That's fine. You mind if I see the damage that she did in there?
No.
So, so she threw all the paperwork and everything down. Okay. All right. Is anything like major valuable is broken that you guys see?
No,
It's just mainly
throw
paper.
my computer because she knows if you throw my computer, she's gonna have a problem.
Okay.
She
All
just
right.
throw papers.
Okay. And mom, you just got bruises and stuff on the side of your face. Okay.
Bruce.
Okay. All right.
I'm trying to see if I find that.
All right. Yeah, we need to find that because I'm about to get ready to call. Hey, look. Hey, this is Deputy Barnes with the sheriff's office. Don't hang up, please. Okay. I just want to talk to you. All right. Look. So of course I know you know about the events and everything that occurred at your guys' house. You know, with your mom and your sisters and stuff like that. Okay. So what I'm here is okay. I do everything fair and I do everything by the books. Okay. I have to get everybody's story. Okay. And so right now I have your mom's story. And I have your sister's story, okay? And I don't have your story. And what happens is, no matter what, with family violence inside the state of Texas, we have to call the district attorney's office. So with that being said, I need to get your story. And I know you saw me as I drove by at the stop sign. So, you know,
but I have to work because they're not going to pay for my bill.
I understand. I understand that. So look here. Is there any way I can come meet you and you can tell me what's going on, and we can go from there? I don't care where you at. I'll come drive and come meet you, and you can just tell me your side of the story, and then we can go from there. Is that?
I'm late for work.
I know. No. Look. I'm not saying you have to stop. You have to leave your job. I will come over there and I will just meet with you real briefly for like 5-10 minutes. And then we can go from there. But I have to get your side of the story. And right now it doesn't look good because you're not here. I understand you have to pay for your bills and everything, and I'm not trying to stop you. That's why I said I will come meet you at your job, and we can talk and discuss about it there.
I'm gonna stop by. I'm gonna stop by my house right now. I'm here. It has to be quick because I have to be in my job around 5:30.
Okay.
And it's not too far.
Okay.
Far from here, so.
Okay. So you're about to come back by the house. Oh, this you right here. Okay.
I'm just right here.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. All right. Is there injury? Shit. Okay. All right. Hey. So what's going on? What happened?
Nothing. It's just a familiar thing. I don't know why do they have to call the police. Because I think we could have just talked and everything.
I know, but your mom has cuts and blood on her face, so I need to know what happened.
Yeah, well, she broke my nose.
She broke your nose?
Yeah, because she find me back.
Okay, so why did you hit your mom?
Because she's tired. I just asked, okay, everything is tired because I asked my sister to use her makeup. And she said no. Okay, and then I say, okay, that's fine. Then you're not going to use my things on the office because I buy it. So if I buy the notebook, the pencil, you're not going to use it because I can't use your makeup.
Okay.
And then it started everything where she stopped in the middle.
Okay.
Then she started pushing me, hitting me. And she's my mom, she's my sister, but I'm not going to let them do that to me. Of course, no.
Okay.
And we start arguing, start fighting, and that's when I probably see with the nails.
Okay.
Get cut, so.
All right. Okay. Well, look here. Right now, you've been detained.
Yeah.
You've been detained.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
I did that. to me.
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained right now. Just come sit right here.
Okay, my car is on.
I know. We'll make sure
I
everything's
can't
taken.
believe she did that to me.
Look, just sit right here.
I have never. Oh my God.
Look, listen to me. You're not under arrest yet. You're just being detained.
Always do things to me. I never call the police on him, and now she's doing this to me.
Just have a seat.
All right.
Just have a seat.
Like this?
No, I know. You slide back in there. Thank you, ma'am.
No more records are needed 43 times using metal. No more records 43 times using metal.
I can't believe she does this to me.
44440, show 1 for metal. No, for simultaneous 60.5.
So yeah, she said she was around the corner. I said, I know you saw me when I pulled in. She said, yeah, I did.
I saw that same car. You know, I drove by.
Bro,
Yeah.
Bro, when I came in, I looked and I said, I thought it said black Mercedes, and then I heard it and checked it, and right when I got right here, I saw it said white Mercedes. I threw it in reverse and she was gone, and I was like, God damn it. Okay. So Lysandra, what happened was, Lysandra, your mom didn't want to press charges at all. But when we get called out here, we have to, when it's family violence, we have to call the district attorney's office regardless. And the district attorney's office, they decide if they wanted to pick up the charges or not. And they picked up the charges. So they picked up the charges of you fighting on your mom.
Okay.
So with that being said,
Me fighting my mom? No, my mom fighting me. That's
yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am. I told them your story. I told them your mom's story. Your mom has visible injuries.
I do too, but you didn't even look at it.
I asked you where your injuries. The only thing you told me that your nail was broke.
Okay.
Because look here, at the end of the day, right now, we have to see if your mom wants to pull your car into her driveway. Because right now your car is on the public roadway and it's blocking somebody's driveway.
And how long I'm gonna be here, sitting here?
Huh?
How long I'm gonna be sitting here?
We're about to go downtown.
Are you gonna?
We're going downtown.
You're gonna do that to me?
We're going downtown. So look, I was just being real with you. So he was trying to be nice and get your driver's license and your phone out the thing.
I can't believe she did that to me. I know. She knew I have to go to work.
Your mom didn't do it. The DA picked up the charges. I just told you that. Your mom said she didn't want to press charges.
Oh my God.
So,
I can't believe this.
hold on a second.
Just that.
Hold on a second.
Check by search 6518 ask force.
Now look here. I'm gonna ask you now. Do you want me to get anything out of your car? Your driver's license, your phone, your wallet? Is there anything you want me to get out your car?
I don't need anything.
You don't want nothing out your car? You sure? You know you have to get some numbers out of there. Do you know your numbers by heart?
I'm nobody, so I don't have to get anything.
Okay.
It's supposed to be my only family, and that's what they did to me. And actually, my keys are here with me.
Your keys are on you?
Yes.
You say your keys are on you?
Yes.
Where are your keys located at?
On my teeth.
Can you? Oh, okay. Well, all right. So let me talk to her. Hey, oh my bad. Listen. So look here. I'm waiting on a female deputy to come, but of course you heard me call about 3 times and ain't nobody came yet. So is it, if I let you one arm release, can you hand me your keys to your vehicle? Okay, with that being said, with your keys, do you want me to hand them to your sister and them? And they pull your car in the parking lot right here, your driveway, and they park it here? Or what's going to happen is if you don't want to have it, then your car is basically blocking somebody's driveway and I have to tow it.
Can I just
No, you can't get it. You can't, no, you can't. It's either you give it to them or it's getting towed. So you choose what you want to do. You want to give it to them? You sure? Okay, and then another thing I'm gonna ask you to do. You have to take off your jewelry for me. Okay? I'm gonna put it inside of evidence bag, everything. Because once you get down there, they're gonna make you take it off anyway.
When I hand you my key, can you tell the bitch right there if she can take my phone and give it to you?
You want? Well, I can actually grab your phone out your car and give it to her. Everything I have going on right now is recorded.
I don't have to give my jewelry to her, right?
Your what?
My jewelry.
No. I'll keep your jewelry and we'll put in property and evidence and everything. Is there anything else that you want physically out your car? Do you have a driver's license in there? You want your driver's license out and you want to give your sister your phone?
No.
No, you don't. You want me to keep your phone?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you just want to give her your keys?
Well, if I don't have any other option.
I mean, like I say, the option is you give it to them. They put it right here. You come pick it up when you get out. Or if not, I'm gonna have to end up towing it because it's blocking my driveway.
Can I give it to her and she put it right there and then she can give it to you?
And give me your keys back?
Yes.
I mean, are you gonna be blocking anybody's vehicle that got to get out right here? You see what I'm saying? I understand.
I just don't want to.
Okay, well, like this. This is what I'm gonna ask her. Okay, I'll move my car. I'm gonna see if they park your car right here, and then it's what?
So I just give it to her.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Whenever I'm done, I have to come.
Well, look here. Go ahead and step out for me. Step out the car. I lost my big key, dog. I got one now. Yeah. I'm sorry. Hold on. All right. So, okay. Let me get this off of you. All right, and then.
Even my
yeah. Just take your jewelry off for me.
Can I leave that there? Because I can take it off.
You can't take it off?
I'll let the jail deal with that. Okay. All right. So I have your ID and I have your phone. Okay. And then I'm gonna put you in on that side over there. Okay. The coat's not too tight or nothing. Good. You got a lot of room here. Okay. I'm gonna walk to the other side. I'm gonna put you on the other side. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, I know it's not the best of rides.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content, or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.